Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Did you know that your iPhone can scan documents without installing anything? You can just do it directly using the built-in Notes app. So let's see how to scan any document on iPhone, no third-party apps needed. Firstly, open the Apple Notes app on your iPhone. Start a new note or open an existing one, it doesn't matter. Now tap the camera icon above the keyboard. Select Scan Documents. Now point your iPhone camera at the document and your iPhone will automatically detect and scan it. If it doesn't scan automatically, tap the shutter button manually. Drag the corners to fit the page perfectly, then tap Keep Scan. Now tap Save or keep scanning more pages if needed. Your document is now saved inside the note as a PDF file. You can select and copy the text from the document, markup like drawing, highlighting, or signing, and share or export it as a PDF. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if this video helped you out.